In this module, we identify the right mortgage for your balance payment. There are a few types of mortgages that you are able to choose from, which can be broken down into three categories: standard term loan, flexible mortgages, fixed-term bundled insurance. Firstly, let's look at the standard term loan. This is your plain vanilla mortgage where the interest may vary, or it may also have a fixed rate which depends on the bank's lending rate. Secondly, the flexible mortgage. There are many variations of flexible mortgages available, where it is normally bundled with a current account that allows a few variations for prepayments that could serve as an interest savings function. Last is the fixed-term bundled insurance. The interest rate of this particular mortgage plan is normally fixed throughout the whole course of tenure. Having listed all the mortgage tenure options available, whichever plan that you may choose, try not to take more than a 20-year loan as interest repayment can be big. The shorter your loan course of tenure, the faster you can pay for your investments. What is usually neglected when picking the right mortgage is the bank's representative that is handling your application. Make sure that the person in charge has the following traits: honesty and integrity. They recommend the right solution for you, not the one that pays the highest commission for them. These people will listen to your concerns first before proposing solutions for you and will not over-promise like a normal salesperson would. Well-connected. It allows the person handling your case to build relevant connections with the credit team, valuers, as well as the approval authorities within the workplace. Are investors themselves. Who can better argue your case than a fellow investor who knows exactly how to justify your cases when things get sketchy?